to help this East Side church in its time of need. This is what Mount Gilead Baptist Church looked like 2 years ago after a car drove into it. The Night Team's Japhanie Gray introduces us to the man who helped in the rebuilding process, all for free.
To see your church, just opened up. And I just thank God, that he made a way.
These hard-working hands you see here belong to Armando Villarreal, a construction worker who put his skills to the test for Mount Gilead Baptist Church.
What you see now is amazing to see it today, how different it looks.
You see, 2 years ago, this silver Mazda sat right in the halls of the church after backing into the building at a high rate of speed.
The car came through here, and once the car came through here, it came into what we call our library.
The congregation was looking at thousands of dollars to rebuild, but then Villarreal came into the picture.
Day by day, it was a step of faith.
We kind of like scratched our head. Nobody does anything for nothing these days, But he came out and never cost us a dime.
Brick by brick, Villarreal and a couple of his workers spent several weeks doing $15,000 worth of labor to restore the church back to normal, free of charge to the church.
From all angles, it was like, well, you can't do this, man. You don't have the money. Where are you going to get the money? But thank God that I held steadfast on his word and he provided.
And once he got into it and started working it, he never stopped.
A sign of great gratitude, the church held a special ceremony Sunday for Villarreal, providing him with an Appreciation for Restoration Award, a recognition that was delayed due to the pandemic.
The congregation, their eyes was all watery and teared up because he did such a marvelous job.
That was amazing. It was a big surprise, like, man.
He hopes his act of kindness inspires others to pay it forward.
You give your hand to help someone out without expecting anything in return, God will work in mighty ways.
Now, unfortunately, the collision was so strong it actually destroyed the computers that recorded all of their surveillance footage. With no witnesses and no video, San Antonio police still haven't located the person responsible for crashing into the church. Still, 2 years later, they're urging anyone with any information that can help with this case to call police. Live at Public Safety Headquarters, Japhanie Gray, KSAT 12 News.